Hey everybody, today I've got a 2x2. It's been a long time since I got a 2x2, so I figured today was a pretty fitting day to get one since it's April 1st. And speaking of fitting, here is the very well-fitting Cube Depot hoodie. I wore my other one quite a bit, and I got a couple of holes in it because I wore it like every day. So I'm pretty excited about that. But like I said, I haven't gotten a new 2x2 in forever. And this is a 5x5. So we'll save the best for last. Okay. So I've got the Cube Depot, the Rocket Wushuang M. For every event except 5x5, I have a backup. I wanted to get this because I've tried a few of them that I liked. I've tried a few of them that I haven't liked. 5x5 is one of my favorite events. One of my favorite speed sol events, at least. It's pretty fun. I'll correct myself. Yao 5 is one of my favorite speed sol events. One thing that's really been hurting my summer ranks for years is this event. And I've been using the Dian 2x2 since it came out pretty much. And I scramble 2x2 at competitions, and I was noticing there's some that I kind of liked how they felt. And I could recognize it by the screws, but I don't ever remember there being a logo on one that I scrambled. And then Luke Greiser was using one at Indianapolis Cubes, and I scrambled his during finals, and so I asked him which one he was using, and he said it was the Wuxia M from Qi, and I like Qi puzzles, so I figured that sounds right, and I figured he must know which 2x2 he uses. He's a smart kid. I'm hoping I'll be able to hold on to this a bit better than my Dian 2x2, which I drop quite a bit at competitions, and move up in the rankings for 2x2, because my average is from 2015. So yeah, this wasn't an April Fool's Day joke. I really did order a 2x2 from CubeDepotUSA.com, and yeah, they sponsored all this stuff in this package, and it was a very good package. In case you guys didn't know, I actually contributed a 2x2 algorithm to Christopher Olson's website. It was a TCLL that I accidentally did a last layer skip after solving the layer, which had a twisted corner, and that was actually a better alg than what he had on his website for the twisted CLL. I wish I could say I'm proud, and I will. I'm proud that I've contributed to Christopher Olson's 2x2 website, and look forward to more contributions to his website from me very soon now that I have this 2x2. That was an April Fool's Day joke. I'm not going to contribute another alg ever. I'm sure that was the only bad one on his entire website. So I'd recommend, if you want to learn some 2x2, check out cwildtheking.com. I assume it's still that. I don't know. I guess I'll have to link it in the description. I'll also link Cube Depot, where I got these cubes, because they're pretty good prices, very fast shipping, and they're good cubes. At least I think they're good cubes. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so very much for watching. Goodbye.